2006 एक फुटबॉल प्लेयर, एक फुटबॉल लेजेंड वापस आया to save his country and lead his nation to glory. At the age of 34, Zinedine Zidane showed what a masterclass performance truly was. And this is the story of Zidane's legendary 2006 World Cup. तो Zidane ने 2004 में इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल से रिटायरमेंट ले लिया था और यूरो 2000 के बाद से फ्रांस एक डिक्लाइनिंग फेज पर भी थी। पर फॉर द 2006 वर्ल्ड कप फ्रांस फुटबॉल ने रिक्वेस्ट करी Zidane, Makelele and Thuram to come back from retirement and save the fading football legacy of France football. And Zidane came back especially for the World Cup. So the World Cup begins and the group stage starts. On the match 1, France were facing Switzerland and the match ended with a draw of 0-0. And Zidane was very average in this match. On the second match, France faced South Korea and this game also ended in a 1-1 draw and Zidane dropped a very frustrated performance. और मैच 3 फ्रांस वर्सेस टोगो और इस मैच में Zidane सस्पेंडेड थे और फ्रांस बहुत ही कम मार्जिन से जीत के राउंड ऑफ 16 में चले गई एंड टिल दिस टाइम द वर्ल्ड had forgotten what Zidane could do, but he was about to remind them all. अब शुरू होते हैं राउंड ऑफ 16 एंड फ्रांस वर फेसिंग स्पेन। स्पेन की जो साइड थी वो बहुत ही यंग थी, बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट थी, फीचरिंग जावी, फेब्रेगास, David Villa and Torres. Spain scored first, but this was the time where master awakens. So Zidane dropped down in the midfield and started controlling the tempo of the game. He assisted Ribery's equalizer and a solo run, the left cut inside, dropped Puyol and finished and scored the third goal of the match and took France to quarterfinals. And now the world thought this was the best Zidane can do. But the real final boss performance was left for Brazil. Now the time comes for quarterfinal versus Brazil. Brazil was an all-star team consisting of Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, Kaká, Adriano and Cafu. But Zidane absolutely dominated the field by controlling the midfield and tempo of the game. On the 57th minute, Zidane swings in a perfect free kick assist for Thierry Henry at the far post and the match ended in a 1-0 win to France. In this match, Zidane's stats were 93% pass accuracy, 6 chances created, 5 successful dribbles, 1 assist, and he won the man of the match. He was so great in this game, the Brazil team looked like a team of amateurs. Were into semifinals and they faced Portugal in the semi-final. Portugal also consisted of star players like Figo, Deco and Cristiano Ronaldo. Still, Zidane was a star player in this match. He took the penalty in 33rd minute and won the game for France, and this game ended in a 1-0 win to France. Then comes the big stage, final versus Italy. A fairy tale ending was written, but the final chapter was torn out and set on fire for Zidane. In just 7 minutes, Zidane stepped up and took the penalty against Buffon. Buffon was the best keeper of that time, and some says the ball didn't touch the nets to respect Buffon, but went into a goal to honor Zidane. The match was a 1-1 draw into the extra time, and then comes the ending of fairy tale. On the 110th minute of the game, Materazzi reportedly insulted Zidane's sister. Zidane turns and headbutts him in the chest. Zidane was shown a red card and left the pitch without saying a word. And without Zidane, France lost 5-3 on penalties. This World Cup of Zidane consisted of everything: the comeback, redemption, dominance, and then the downfall. Zidane was the Golden Ball winner in this tournament, and some says the red card on the final made him human. And this was the story of Zidane's 2006 World Cup campaign.